Dengue fever is caused by Aedes aegypti. Signs and symptoms include fever, body pain, especially joint pains, rashes, and internal bleeding or nose bleeding like that if it is severe. And the prevention include sleeping under the mosquito nets, and even throat reduction is very important. That is emptying the water containers, especially the water containers, and especially the children, even if they sleep during that time, they have to sleep inside the mosquito nets. We have distributed one mosquito net, which is called Elaline, which is to be used even during that time. Yeah, they have to use long sleeve shirts also. Prevention, there are not much prevention, but even if they stay at home, they can use mosquito repellents also. And there is no treatment for this dengue. The disease will be around 3 to 5 days like that. After that, the patient will recover.
This fogging drive is been done by Agarwal Mahasabha. It's a basically community of Agarwals. It's a pan-India community, and we are a small community in Dimapur. So it's a small initiative from our side, community-based initiative, that we want to do something for Dimapur town. So this is actually 5th year we are doing this fogging drive. Basically, fogging is a process by which chemicals, insecticides mixed with an adjuvant like diesel, and it's sprayed in the atmosphere. So all the mosquitoes, basically the Aedes mosquitoes, these are the responsible for dengue. The bite of Aedes mosquitoes causes dengue. So those mosquitoes, when they come in contact with this fog, they actually dies. So basically it's a short-term measure to control spurt of cases. So it's a small initiative from our side, so that since dengue cases are increasing in our town, so we're trying to do a part from our side.
Which areas are you trying to cover?
See, basically it's a 7 to 10 day drive which we are doing. So today, since we have started from DMC, we'll be covering Marwadi Patti and West Yard until Sematila. And tomorrow we'll start from DC Court, and we'll try to cover the entire Nutun Basti stretch. So these are the 2 days, and from day 3 onwards, the list will be given by the Vector Control Department, since they know which areas are more affected. So once we get the list, we'll inform you people even. So those areas will be covered. And what I would request from your side, it's like take this message to the colony people even to assist them. Basically what happens, they go to colonies, people want to do indoor fogging, they want to take them to the homes. It should not be indoor, it's outdoor fogging. And whenever fogging is done, I request people around the colonies to open their doors and windows so that this fog enters into the house. Rather than taking the machine inside their home, which is not advisable, just to open the doors and windows so that fog will automatically enter into the house and it will be as effective. So everybody, if they assist, and a simple social work from a community in Delhi, they are doing a 10-minute, which they call 10-minute drive, which is a 10 weeks for 10 minutes at 10 p.m. They are doing social work, where all the stagnant water is cleaned. See, the stagnant water is the area where mosquitoes breeding occurs basically. So in our homes, if we clear all the stagnant water, the mosquitoes which are bred inside a house will decrease. So that's a long-term measure which we need to inculcate. And obviously cleanliness. We know Dimapur now it's become a very dirty city. We need to clean that even. So in long run, basically these measures are more effective. See, fogging now it's done worldwide. Okay, obviously there are some, but at this level it's not very toxic, and it's not very toxic. Obviously, see, anything even in outdoor pollution is harmful for the body, but it's within acceptable range basically. Because it's been done everywhere and we are following the same protocol which everybody else is doing.
Yeah, see, Agarwal Mahasabha, we are doing the fogging drive since last 5 years. This is the 6th year we are doing. And we are doing it to, eradicate the dengue mosquito, which is troubling. Now, right after the pandemic, now what is happening is there are a lot of cases of dengue. I have been associated with, many WhatsApp groups of many societies. So when I got the information through the social media that a lot of blood is required in these hospitals, so I thought there must be cases of dengue because normally platelets go down and needs to be, blood needs to be given to the patient. So I called up this thing. Then I asked. Initially, there was not much requirement of this thing, but then slowly last week the CMO DSO has told us that no, dengue patients are there. There are some areas where we need to go for fogging, and since we are doing it since last 5-6 years, We thought that this year also, last year, because of pandemic we could not do. But this year we thought that it is better that we go for the drive, because a lot of dengue patients are there. And accordingly, we have contacted the agencies, those who used to come here. They are the same people. And last 5 years we are doing it very nicely. So this year we thought that the same team should be called off, and they have accepted, and they reached last night. And now the DMC, we asked the DMC, and at a short notice, everybody came forward helping. My only request to the colony people, colony council and the town council, wherever our team goes, to support them, to keep your colony, your area clean, and little bit what we can do through fogging, we will be able to eradicate this thing. Of course, it is not a permanent solution, but at the technical part, our chairman has already spoken, and I think this will help in one way, that to eradicate the dengue fever. At Marwadi colony also there are few patients which I came to know from the pathologist, that yes, lot of patients are coming for dengue. So we thought it to do it early, and in a very short time we have started from today. And we got a permission of 7 days, but I think we will have to go further, because 7 days will not be able to cover up the Dimapur town council area, municipal area. So I think we'll have to go for more days, and we hope that this will help in a great way to the people of Dimapur. And I request all the organizations, a lot of organizations are there, and slowly one organization can take up one project. This way we will be able to clean up our city, and all these type of disease, whatever disease, cleanliness is most important. To keep your area surrounding your colony clean, and let us live happily with a healthy life. That is my thing. Thank you very much. Society Agarwal Mahasabha, before 1 month I'll tell the story how we are doing this fogging drive. Last 6 years our Agarwal Mahasabha is doing the fogging drive.
If required, we can extend this further for 3-4 hotels with the requirement in the society, in the community. And I thank the administrator of the DMC, Mr. Albert, for giving us his permissions for the inauguration. And I thank.
Good afternoon, everyone. Everyone who is here, everyone present here. I just want to say it's a very good effort done by the Agarwal Mahasabha, right? So I want to say that we really appreciate your work and all the activities that you keep doing. This is a noble gesture, and we are very much happy because of the fact that you always come forward to help our department, help the public whenever the need arises. So we really want to.
President, CEO, Deputy CMO, like my friend Mahesh was saying, like 1 week back, 2 weeks back, 1 month, I think 1 month back, he called me up. But I said, hey, Sati, we are concentrating mainly on COVID. So dengue cases, so far, like officially we have not received any confirmation. So let's think about it.
तो मोहनजे जानिबा निसिना ताहान इदु फॉगिंग ड्राइव तो आज ये डीएमसी ला ऑफिस पर शुरू करना जैसे और ताहान इदु 1 वीक निसिना इदुला ड्राइव तो फॉगिंग ड्राइव तो जावो और ताहान इदु टाउन काउंसिल एरिया खान दाइ खान सब कवर करो गना जानाइ दिसे और इदु डेंगी तो आमी खान जानिसे आजिकली डेंगी ला केसेस तो बिसि राइज होयसे और इदु डेंगी तो मस्किटो रा होय तो इदु मस्किटो तो आमी खान ला सराउंडिंग एरियाज खान नइले तो कोरसो एरिया खान सब इदु साबा गुना रखियो लागे सो दैट मस्किटोस खान इंक्रीज न होले आरो आमी खान इदु चाप्रा खान मिसामिसि फिकाइ नइले ड्रेनेज खान ओपन एरिया इनहान पानी बिया जमा इनहान मस्किटो लाई तो आमी खान निचर मानुगे रुखिना देखिना आमी खान निचर ब्रा साबा गुरिना आमी खान ला सराउंडिंग्स तो साबा राखिबि गुना बि जानाइ दियासे तो आमी खान इन्या अपडेट्स पाइते गले आरो किसम अलग अपडेट्स पाइते गले साइड गिबि एनएलटीवी मोय माइनी विथ कैमरा पर्सन खालिल फॉर एनएलटीवी दिमापुर